We're gonna try something a little different. I was at the grocery store getting some eggs, and I noticed they had this just crack an egg thing. And it kind of raised a philosophical question for me. You know, I think eggs are pretty quick to make in the first place. We gotta get a prepackaged thing to crack a single egg into. It better be good. I kind of forget how much it was, maybe $3.50. Let's take a look at the directions. We gotta remove lid and pouches from cup, crack egg into cup, empty content of pouches into cup, stir until blended. Microwave high 30 seconds, stir, microwave additional 40 seconds, stir. Obviously that's based on a better microwave than the piece of junk I have. So yeah. Let's see what we got here. This is the protein one. So we got some sausage or something. A little cheese, which I'm not a big fan of dairy. Really not. And then some peppery flavored bacon bits. Okay, I guess I'll need a fork. Yeah, single egg. See, the other issue I have, I don't have a good crack anywhere on this. This is too flimsy to really bang it. I can do it on the sink, but I'm just gonna do it on something I got sitting here. Let's see if we get any shell. Yeah, might be a little shell in there. It'll be all right. All right, so let's get bits of sausage in here. Let's do the bacon. And I guess like the real question, like you guys have seen me make fluffed eggs, you know, it's basically an omelet. I don't call it an omelet because I'm not using dairy. I don't have any milk in there. I'm not using like ham or turkey. I'm like, is this an omelet replacer? That's probably pretty good. So they were recommending those times based off of an 1100 watt microwave. I have a 700 watt. So not quite half. We're gonna do a minute and then a minute, and it'll probably be fine. Well, that happens. That's what she looks like. I said stir again, so we'll do that. See if we can not hit the camera. And let it rip for another minute. We're coming up here. There's 40 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a touch of hot sauce. I'm gonna grab some ketchup. Some salt and pepper, might as well. It's our finished product. Looks fine. Looks kind of like a gas station egg thing. a little salt. Not a ton. With all that meat in there, I can't imagine I'll need it. A little pep. I'm gonna add a dash of ketchup. You know what, before I get too deep into it, I want one bite of just the thing without my seasoning. It's fine. It really does taste like I got this from like a gas station. Maybe on like the New Jersey Turnpike or something like that. So you all stir with this, see if we can spice this up a bit. Okay. A little ketchup, a little hot sauce. Ooh. It's better. Because, you know, I'm seeing the amount of time it took me to do this in total, and I'm talking a little bit and doing some extra bullshit because of the video. But realistically, I had to cook the fluffed egg just as fast. It'd be good. Now, I could slice some avocado into this. Yeah, let me do that. All right, now that's pretty good. Once you get the avocado in the mix there, but I took so much extra stuff just to get this. Just crack an egg scramble kit, protein, sharp cheddar, pork sausage, and bacon, up to speed. I got another one of these. We'll try that and see if it's any good. Anyway, like and subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks.